Hello, welcome to another episode. This is episode 2. Hopefully this one, I've done some testing and I'm quite pleased with how potentially good this is going to come out compared to last week's. So today, I'm coming to a rides. If you've read my previous post that was about, not the microphone, about the police car, then you will know that I am a big fan of these. I like the traditional, it's almost a 90s style, this is, of car building. So I think that's great. I love the fact they've done that. So what we're going to do is we're going to build this together today. So this is the construction loader 60483. I have the trusty pad and the PDF ready to go. And what we're going to do is, let's have a look at this, because I actually would love to have done the police car. I do say in the post for this that I want the other two. I have today managed to get my hands on the fire engine, so I will get the race car as well to close off the set. What I really like about this though is, these are little baby drivers, look. So let's find out. Let's unbox this together. If you've got it, get yourself ready and let's fly in. Oh, I forgot from the first kit that this doesn't have a bag inside at all. Look, it is completely bagless, which is why you get quite a lot of rattle. Now, I, for one, am an absolute... I favour that completely, because if you don't need them, don't have them. It really isn't necessary. So you can see from this, the actual parts are very simple. And what's great about this is anybody, absolutely anybody, can enjoy building this. It's a relatively quick build. They don't take too long, but I think that if you've got little hands on this, you'll be able to really play about with it. The playability is great on the floor, so you can scenario it. But what I really, really love is that they're pretty much pocket money level sets. There are 4 currently. I'm hoping they do more. There's something lovely about the orange on that. Absolutely adorable. So, you notice once again, just here we have a small booklet. You can see this from my post on the other one. They're the same, but just like the police car, we have the hand style, so showing you what's in your hand. This is a really good 4+ concept. In this case, this is designed for 5+, as you can see there. So they're looking at around the same audience for these. Okay, so moving that on, let's get to building. You'll notice, that you get your little baby and you get your little baby. It's not dissimilar to the small baby. I wonder if I can get that nice and clear in the Brio. I've changed camera trying to get it sorted. I've also changed the microphone back to my old Snowball. It is fantastic. So so you've got your little baby right here, which is quite sweet. And let's put little baby. What should we call it? Baby Annabelle. There you go, Baby Annabelle. So we start, just like sort of 80s, 90s sets. Certainly around the time that I would have been about 7, 8 years old. I was starting to get it on, but I still loved my Lego. So this feels like that. You're not using solid chassis like you do with a lot of the stuff from the last 20 years. We're building it up. Let's get to it. Tells us what we need. Let's go again. And then we go this way. Now, this is one that got me last time. I wasn't quite sure how this works, but it goes along, and it's going to give us our grooves for us to put these axle pieces in, which is great. Remember, you can pause at any time. If you're not quite sure, please do. Give me any suggestions. Is there any small sets you'd like to build with me? I'm hoping to do this more often. I'd like it to definitely be a weekly thing. This one was very much about going past the things that were wrong with last week. I want to get this right, and it's going to take time. So let's go to this, and I want that to go over there. So we're going to create our wheel arch. I just love this. I just love how these come together. I mean, the coloration of this is great because it's part of the construction colour scheme, which is always going to be a winner if you like that kind of thing, of course. So straight across each one, you're pushing the page because each pair of pages is one part to do. That shows you how much quicker this is. But again, it's not about, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be super rapid when you do it. Take your time with it, enjoy it. That's the whole point of this experience. I recognise that I may need to slow myself down a bit, but again, this is about suggestions. I am always wanting to know where I need to go with it, what kind of things would work. I don't want to do sets that are too long, because I think that, the odd one double episode wouldn't be the end of the world, but I very much would like to be able to keep them short, so that whether you've got big hands or little hands, you can follow this, you can pause it. I want to be able to add more of these moments where we're just calm, and we can just take it easy as we build up. Okay, so we're at this point now. You can see that the chassis is built, but it's all built from separate parts. And that is what I adore about this. Very much like the camper vans, of which I have a few of them. And you can see at least 2, maybe even 3 posts of different camper vans that I've built over time. So we're changing over to a little sub-build now. If you're not sure about sub-build, this is a build that is being done extra to one side to be added onto the main build. Okay, that's all it means. Nice, straightforward. Onto here. Now I remember this, these are built very much the same. Now if you wanted to do a group build, you could buy a few of these and each little one could have themselves one, and I reckon you could do some lovely things with it. Try and personalise it. Hopefully they will do more, because if you've got more you can personalise it even better. Maybe one little handed chappie or lassie would be really keen on having the construction one like this. Another might want the race car because they want something a little bit more fast paced. But you can do that. I think it's interesting now they've gone for 2 emergency services and then 1 construction and 1 race car. I like how actually they've done that, because I do think that the emergency services are quite a traditional build. It's something that you'd build a lot, particularly in the 80s and 90s. I do have a couple of sets from the mid to late 90s that you can see this build structure in them, which is great. And more often than not, they were trucks. But yeah, so here's my sub build. Okay, can you see that okay? So I will get this right. Yeah, okay, nice and steady. I think what I would do is take my time with my hands, to be honest. Just in case you're not sure, my name's Gavin. That's why it's BwG. So if you didn't know, go and have a look at thesteamengine.co.uk. Have a look at my ramblings. You'll be quite surprised how much you can get to know me on there and the things that I enjoy. Trouble is, I enjoy a lot of things because I'm a STEM specialist, but that is how I roll. So I've got no issue with. Let's get rid of that little bit of gunk on there. Got no problem with getting suggestions because I'm able to work them and be better. I like to be better at what I'm doing. So again, we now have these bits. Okay, so at the moment you should now be working to these bits. Get rid of these bits off here. They're getting in the way. Okay. Now sometimes it's really good. It doesn't matter how experienced you are. Please remember that if you watched my first episode, I made mistakes. It's what happens. Sometimes you can be a bit too quick for your own good, and what happens is you make mistakes. So it doesn't matter how little your hands are, you can make mistakes. And what I would say is sometimes you need to slow it down. Just take your time and do it bit by bit. So from this point on in the video, I'm going to take a learning thing out of this. I'm going to learn something from this video. I'm going to take everything that I'm told to get and place it. Yeah, this is like an orientation thing. Now, add this on, okay? I now do the same thing again. I want this piece next. I place it down, very, very steady. I'm now going to fit this in, part of the loader, okay? So that's where we are so far. If you've gotten this far, well done. Thank you for staying with me. Look at this, absolutely wonderful. I just adore these. I'm so taken with them. I'm taken with them in a similar way to how I was taken with the botanicals, but this is obviously for a different reason. This is almost retro. It's almost old-fashioned, and I like it. Definitely suits me down to the ground. It also gives you a chance to actually build your vehicle. Okay, so I did another set then. We've got these next, okay? And these are going to go backwards. I can see where we're going now. I actually find it quite interesting when they use the angles to create that line down the centre, okay? I quite like that. I think that's really good. I think the dog was barking then. That's about right. Thank you very much, Brina. If you don't know about Brina, do a search for the tag Brina on the website. Here, I want this and this. Now, this quite often can be used as a small roof for a cabin of some sort, but in this case, it's going to be used on the back as part of the large bum that's on the back of these loaders, which you get on things like forklift trucks as well. So let's pop that in, okay? You can see the timing isn't heavy on this. This isn't one that's going to set you back a ton of time. And whether because you are a grown-up or whether you are little, sometimes you don't have all the time in the world. And so you need to take that into account. So these are lovely little sets. And I like to think of the sets like this as good gift sets. So if you've got a birthday party to go to and you want to take something really cool for them, take one of these. It's a little build. They can just sit on the living room floor and just build this. And, you know, this is a good lap build if you want to sit and do it on a tray. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah. So we need another one of these now. You notice how these are all in small amounts. Just, you know, they're not heavy. They're just small amounts. So now, little Annabelle's going in. There she goes. I'm pretty sure that's the name I gave her at the start. I hope so, otherwise I sounded a bit odd then. There's one of these. These are interesting because these you get upside down versions of these, and if you can see that, it is a windscreen, a window, but sometimes you get them so that the scaffolding is on the other side. Just to remind you, are you scaffolding to determine these? People still call these studs, but a stud is effectively a single round piece, but for me I call them scaffolds because it's what I was taught. But yeah, you have them that way because it looks like a crane cabin looking down at their load. But this case, we're this way around, so let's get that. And we also need one more of these little grills. And there we go. So, onto there and onto there. Let's put you in there. Annabelle, there we go. Annabelle's looking very little there, but it's pretty cool. You know, I love to play with this. Oh, and look at this. Okay, if you've ever read my posts, you'll know how much I adore printed bricks because I don't like stickers. And if you've ever looked up people whinging about stickers, you come across some rather hefty conversations over it. Some people won't even put stickers on because they're afraid they'll be wonky. But this is cool. If you look, this is an elephant's head with tusk. Look, how nice is that? I love that. Okay, that's that, and then we've got a little maintenance light here to go on as well. So, guess where this one goes? It goes on top, and then this sits on there just like that. Okay, so Annabelle's got her sweet, her sweet little canopy. Got a lovely little elephant above her, and then the flashing amber yellow light, the orange light that you see on construction vehicles. Okay, we need the wheels now. Let's push all you guys over there. We need our wheels and we need these. Now, they've done this a lot recently. They use these to hit the centre. So I'm hoping the next video is going to be a Star Wars build. But again, let me know if I'm able to. I will happily build this as long as it's not too big. And bear in mind, this is all about making sure that it's as affordable as possible. At some point, I'd like to do MOC builds as well, so my own creation, and see what we can build with a bunch of Lego in a pile and go from there. And that, again, will be building with me. You know, and I certainly look forward to it. Let's kick onto here. There we go. To there. To there. I quite like these, actually. They look very construction-like. Solid metal wheels with full discs in them. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that. Oh, absolutely adorable. Okay, so the wheels are on. We now need this, and this. You'll see those in the hands. Okay, and we're going to add these on. So let's have a look. So clip that on. And we want one going the other way, like so. Okay, and then that goes in the centre. That creates it nice and strong. And here we go, we've got a little ball joint here that goes into this little knuckle spot here. Can be quite difficult. If you've got little hands, get some help with that one, just to push it in. And then we do it like that. There we go. So we've got a cool little bit here. And then we're going to use the ball joint on the back and push that one on as well and put it up like that. There we go. Look at that. It's got a cool little hook on the back for picking up. And here we've got this cool coloured bucket, and that's going to go on this interesting knuckle style here. That is quite different. But yeah, so you can see how that has come together. And there we have it. We have these little spares here. They go up into my little pot up here. I have a pot, which is always worth keeping all these in. You can see most of this, if not all of it, is from builds that I have reviewed. Pretty much all of it is. They're just extra pieces that come from. Okay, we're back. There we go. So yeah, there she is. Annabelle in her trusty little construction loader. How cute is that? Oh, I adore these. Let's bring in the police car. There we go. And I'll put them sideways. Nino, Nino. Okay, so you can see them. And there we go. What a lovely build. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Say hello. Whatever it is, I'm happy. Go take a look at thesteamengine.co.uk. And let's get another episode in. And we'll carry on building together. I want us to do this together. Sit with your little in if you are a parent, or if you've got little hands and you're a youngling and you're just enjoying this, that's wonderful. This will forever stay friendly to everybody, as I want everyone to be able to access building. The creativity is endless. So take care. It's been a pleasure. And until next time for episode 3, hopefully it'll be Star Wars build, like I said. Let's see what comes of it. Take care, everybody. Till next time.